G'day. Look, since ChatGPT went nuts a few months ago and everybody suddenly knew about it and was using it and was getting very, very excited, it seems actually thousands and thousands of new services and apps and things have come out. And one of the areas that people are really exploiting is teaching, education. Now, there's lots of these kinds of things out there, which makes me think that accessing, the tools to create these kinds of things is probably not beyond our reach, if you like. And I think when we created the little chatbot in the last video, that demonstrated actually how easy and accessible some of these things are. But anyway, look, MagicSchool.ai, I guess what they're doing is they're packaging some things up and trying to make things easier for us. So today I'm going to go in, I'm going to play around MagicSchool.ai and a little bit of ChatGPT and see how they compare on creation of a rubric. The first thing I thought I might do, if you have a look up here, there's a few different categories that we can kind of bring up. Planning is probably one that is going to be of interest, and I thought, well, they don't use rubrics in every subject perhaps. We do use rubrics in a lot of subjects, so I thought I'd try this rubric generator. And what I'll do is I'll in fact compare this with ChatGPT. So we can go here, we can select a grade. I've chosen 10th grade. I'm going to say the assignment is a documentary analysis. Super Size Me. So they're going to, and I'm going to say here, write a 2-page, I'm going to say essay on how Super Size Me uses media codes and conventions to manipulate the audience to ensure a preferred reading of the film. Consider at least one resistant reading and ensure you support your arguments with reference to the film. That'll do. Point scale 5. Standard objective. Understanding how media codes and conventions are used to communicate. That'll do. And we'll see what it does. All right, hit the generate button. What's going to happen? Oh, there we go. I'm not going to read all of this. It's too fast for me and I'm a little bit dyslexic. But it is minimal, limited, satisfactory, good, thorough. Okay, since I'm dyslexic, I'm going to click on shorten. All right, let's have a look at the short version. Boy, it's not much shorter, is it? Lack of understanding. Is it really a shorter version? Alright, I'm not sure it's a very shorter version. Alright, so let me very quickly go into ChatGPT and see how that compares All right, so I'm in ChatGPT, and I'm just going to say, can you please? I heard that ChatGPT likes you to talk nicely to him or her. Can you please create a marking rubric for me? I am a year 10 media teacher. Oops, stop. Wow, look, that's pretty funny. All right, didn't even know what the project was. Okay, so we'll ask it for some more details in a second and we'll change a few things. But that's kind of cool. All right. Actually, that's not the assignment I had in mind. I quite like the way this works. Let me see. I will shift enter this time and paste this stuff in. This is a year 10 media, following instructions. No. All right, shift enter. Can you please create a marking rubric for this assignment? So I think the other one was super fast. I don't know if this will give me more flexibility. It might not. Okay, oh, it's given comments and everything, so that's kind of nice. Let's go back and have a look at this one. Didn't give us the comments. I wonder if, let's have a very quick compare. Criteria demonstrates deep and insightful understanding of media language in Super Size Me. Demonstrates comprehensive understanding of codes and conventions used in Super Size Me. Multiple examples with using codes and yeah, okay. I think that's all I'm going to do for this video. So we can use AI to create marking rubrics, and I'm sure we could, if we wanted to, in here punch in some more specific criteria that we wanted to address or whatever it might be. And the same over here, perhaps, if we ask Raina a question, I'm sure we could go in there and tweak some things. So hopefully that is going to be useful to you, and I'll see you next time.